I mean, it's the biggest sector we have in Europe, and we have a huge competitive advantage in that sector, and it is a sector that is changing extremely rapidly. It means that the new jobs of the future are to a high extent created there, the growth is created there, our competitive is created there, but also our digital standards on how we want to work with data, how we want to work with competitiveness globally.
So I think the topic of digital manufacturing is one of the key cornerstones for the welfare in Europe. And one of the key tasks is to leverage all the activities we have on the national base and put together all our ideas and all our work in an overarching activity in the Europe.
Of technology innovation, a lot of testing out technologies, proof of concepts, pilots, etc. And I think we have come to a point now where we have a pretty good foundation in the marketplace.
Yeah, digital manufacturing means that you digitalize the analogous industry, so to make from a factory a smart factory, to make from a plant a smart plant. And second, that you introduce a digital economy based on big data analysis coming from the operational technology devices out of the shop floor in the factories and the plants. And that is the challenge we have to face, and that is where we have to work on in the next few years.
Well, first of all, it's very important that Europe acknowledges that digital wave that is going through manufacturing is really an important one. And it's very good to see that on the European agenda, this is put forward. So that's the very first thing. So the acknowledgement is there, but now we have to build upon the experience and the legacy we have in Europe in manufacturing to really transform ourselves to remain or to become again very competitive or the leader in the world when it comes to new ways of manufacturing.
This is the first platform ever where we bring together both tech companies and manufacturing companies as a sparring partner for the EU Commission, the Parliament, and not least also for the member states. So it's of huge importance to us.